26?
Wait, so who got the text message that I seen? Andrea or her?
Andrea.
So, Andrea's the one I talked to?
I'm not sure. Andrea?
Andrea le llamó para decirle que no trabajaba.
Sí.
Y le dijo que
So who called me the night to tell me that I wasn't
You
supposed
call
to go
him?
to work? Who
Yeah.
called me?
Andrea.
You?
Andrea.
So you didn't call me?
Del teléfono de Andrea. El phone de Andrea.
From her phone.
Andrea called me from whose phone?
She called from Andrea's phone.
You called from Andrea's phone. And that's the text message that I sent her?
That's not you?
Let me see. Okay. This number right here, who number is this?
I have no clue. I was off for 2 days.
So this number is saying 346-779-7427. That's not my number. So this is not my number. Whoever sent this to her is not my number. Okay? Pedro, you said that date was the 27th?
28.
It was the 28th? Okay. And they sent the text message to the office.
They send it to, yes, they send it to me and I send it to Mr. Hooper, the owner.
Okay.
And then Mr. Hooper said, fire her. I said, what do you want me to do, sir?
I got this number right here, what I just showed you. It's a number I got called from whoever told me that I wasn't supposed to work. So this is going to
¿Qué pasó?
this is not even going to this phone. Is this Andrea? Hey, mama.
What?
Is this Andrea? Can you speak to Andrea?
Yes.
Yeah. That's Andrea on that phone. But this text message that's not even my number.
¿Será que le escribieron de diferentes números?
So I got fired. I got fired for somebody lying.
Le mandó, son de otros
Ahí
números.
están las capturas de los mensajes que le mandé yo a usted.
You see? You see, Richard?
Diferentes números.
2 numbers?
Okay, thank you.
What's the second number?
Diferentes números.
2 numbers.
Ajá.
What's the first number?
Diferentes.
You getting this?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sí.
Eran diferentes.
Know him.
No sé.
No me.
Él dijo que era Douglas.
This Douglas.
Ajá.
Sí.
Dijo Douglas.
Where it say Douglas at? Where it say
No,
Douglas?
Brandon?
Los dos. Brandon también habló. Él habló a mí.
Yeah.
Sí. Y dijo un montón de cosas.
I don't know, man. Like I said, I was off for
This
2
ain't
days.
this ain't giving me nothing. This not telling me nothing. I don't know. Like I honestly, yeah, I understand you was out.
Dijo que era Douglas.
Do you mind?
Douglas?
Do you mind if I use this video just in case if I needed anything? Do you mind?
Cuando llamó dijo Douglas.
I'm Douglas.
Ajá.
I didn't send you no text message.
Dijo Douglas.
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 It say Douglas.
Ahí decía Douglas.
But look, when I call you, it's not me. Oh, this is Andrea number I'm calling. This is not your number. I only have Andrea number. So I don't even have your number to send you any text message. You understand?
Tiene que ir a la oficina.
You see?
Sí.
Where's the message
I'm
that
sorry
you
somebody did that. I'm sorry whoever did that. I'm sorry, but it wasn't me. It wasn't me.
¿Verdad? Él dice que él no ha llamado, cuando llamó que no era él el que llamó.
lleva. Mire, ahí están las capturas del...
Is it okay if I use this video if I need it? Just if I need it?
Yo le digo que vaya a la oficina porque yo no sé nada.
Thank you.
Hablaron con el nombre de él.
Yo solo sé que ahí están las capturas de lo que me dijeron y de ese mismo número que
What
estaban
phone number?
hablando.
Can she tell her to give me the phone number she got? I don't think so.
Okay. Yo le digo que vaya a la oficina. Vaya a la oficina.
Yo no los conozco, yo no sé quién fue, usted sabe que yo no los conozco.
Yo tampoco.
Vean, ahí está, el que mandó los mensajes, ahí está el número en la parte de arriba.
Ajá.
Hey, Roberto! Come here real quick.
Y que ya ahorita voy a bloquear el número porque ya me ha llamado como 5 veces ahorita.
Ajá.
Hey, they said you gotta leave or they're gonna call the police, man.
They gonna call the police? Who's they?
Yes, sir.
Who was that?
Pedro.
You recording?
Mm-hmm.
That was Pedro? Okay. All right, so that's the number that I called out in the video previously. So I'm finna call this number just to see who it is.
Call has been forwarded to an automated voice messaging system. 3, 4, 6, 7, 7, 9.
So nobody answered the phone. Whoever that number is, nobody answered it. Let's try one more time.
Hello.
Hey, this Doug. Who is this? Who number this is? This,
My name's Brandon.
oh, this Brandon that I used to work at the job with me, bro.
Oh, yeah.
Hey, what's up, man?
What?
Hey, I heard some stuff happened, man, and they said that I don't know, somebody got fired. They said, you got fired, huh?
Nah, I quit.
You had quit? What you quit for?
Cops beat my ass. I had to sleep outside the night before. And then
Uh-huh.
when I showed up to work, fucking, bro, I just couldn't do it, man. My head hurt. I was tired.
Oh, okay. Well, what I heard, they say that you sent some text messages to Ava or something.
Oh, yeah, that shit happened. It wasn't Ava or some shit.
It wasn't
It
Ava?
was fucking her cashier or some shit. I was like, who the fuck is this? And they were like, Ava said that. I don't know, bro. Why you policing me right now?
I mean, because I got fired because they said that I sent some text messages.
What? Nah, I heard that shit too. They said there's something about you sent text messages too. Richard said that shit, bro.
They said I sent text
Hell
messages.
nah, yo, look. It's a bullshit ass cunt. Nah, look, on the cool, bro. No, thank God this bitch ain't here right now. Nah, so Eva fucking you know how her little crew came or whatever.
Yeah.
So whenever her little crew came, they had like a cashier or whatever. I don't remember what they said the cashier's name was, right? But I asked Richard that day, whenever I went back to work, the day that I quit, I was like, yeah, who was that? He was like, oh, no, it was Eva. I already read the message. And bro, on the call, I fuck with Richard, but that nigga, he ain't fucking solid. He ain't really truthful like this shit. He's like, nah, it was Eva. It was Eva. Nah, it wasn't Eva. It was a cashier or something. And fucking, so I went to Eva and I was like, Eva, is this you? Because I was, bro. I was like, because Eva had already called me and told me that I worked the next day.
Mm-hmm.
I was like, who the fuck is this? Fuck you. Like, go fuck yourself. I ain't got no time for that bullshit, bro. Like, I'm really trying to whoop ass. Like, yeah, I was having a bad fucking day. But Nah, it wasn't ever. It ended up being like somebody off of her cruise. It was a cashier, bro.
Okay. Okay.
Yo, they fired you too. That's some bullshit.
Yeah, they fired me saying that I sent.
Hey, fired Savannah?
Nah.
Nah, bro. Hey, I'ma fuck that bitch's car up, bro.
Nah, don't do that. No, but yeah, they just said that that I sent some text messages saying fuck her and all that shit, and that's how I got fired. I'm like, I didn't say nothing.
Wait, what? They fired you over it?
Yeah, they said I said.
Damn.
That's why I'm calling you, because I'm just trying to see like who I'll, you know what I'm saying, who I'll number, because I don't even have able.
Like, that wasn't my job. They called me. I'll tell them to me. Don't even work there. Like, you better call them motherfuckers and be like, yo.
Bro, that's what I'm saying. I don't even have able phone numbers. It was able who called me from I guess Andrea phone number. Andrea phone. So I got Andrea phone. So there's no way for me to send text through Ava number. So you the one got Ava number, right?
Yeah, but no, I sent it to Andrea phone, whatever her name is.
But,
I ain't sent it to Ava phone number.
But you got both their phone numbers?
Nah, not now. No, I don't even think I have Ava phone number.
You don't have Ava phone number?
I don't want to lie to you right now. But I'm telling you, I'm the one that sent the text.